which is in the Idylwild tract subdivision. Here's a view around the home. You can see the neighboring properties. Kind of behind where that Jeep is an area where you could build out and make room for a Sprinter van or something like that. And we're back to looking around the property, up toward the house. View back around. And then we head inside. Soaring ceilings, nice big open space, lots of natural light, stone fireplace, open concept with the kitchen. Also have another dining area over here by the bayed window. Peek outside, we'll come back and see that in a bit. Here are the bay windows. A little nook under the stairway, a little work area. Closer look at the kitchen, a view from the sink. Through the kitchen here is the master bedroom, which is a nice big size, connects to the deck around the side here. Here's the master bath, walk-in closet to my right. Down this little hallway, actually this is the laundry room. You can enter it from the other side. I'll show you that in a little bit. Well, it's kind of convenient that you have your laundry room so close to the master closet. Sinks. That is a potty closet. And around the side here is a snail shower or a walk-in shower. I guess you call that a walk-in shower. Alright, so we're heading back around. I'm going to show you how to get the laundry room here. You take a left and go down this other little hallway. Now straight ahead is the garage. The garage was not open when this video was done, so I'm not able to show you that. But here's the other side of the laundry room. Now heading back into the great room again, we're going to head upstairs. I have a chair lift. Assist you to get up the stairs. And here's a view from the loft. Nice open space here. Make a seating area. Looking down on the living area below. Here is the bedroom, guest bedroom. Ensuite bathroom. Take a peek around the door here to see the bath shower combination. And a walk-in closet. And heading back into the sort of living space, upstairs living space. One other thing, there's some storage. This is just a storage room. Alright, from here heading down the stairs again. going to go take a look outside. It's a nice little deck. And we'll see the view in a second. Lots of rock and trees. Very, very quiet. Boost the lens here so you can get a little bit better view. There we go. And that's it.